Hello guys, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've done some deep research about BidVertiser, how you can make money with this paying advertising network, how it works, some things about eligibility, withdrawal, and many more important subjects about BidVertiser. So if you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day this type of content. So let's get started. First of all, what is BidVertiser? Well, BidVertiser is a privately held advertising platform founded by Shahar Jacobi in 2003. The headquarters of this company is located at Tyret Carmel in Israel. Support center of BidVertiser is located at Isle of Wight in UK, and the main data center at San Jose, California, United States. BidVertiser competed with Chitika, which was Google AdSense main rival, and was shut down in 2019. Presently, BidVertiser is competing with Quadabra and Infolinks. So you may wonder how it works. Well, BidVertiser provides CPA, CPM, and PPC methods of advertising and online marketing related solutions. Publishers have to utilize a JavaScript code from BidVertiser to enable BidVertiser ads on their websites. BidVertiser may change, modify, or expand the code anytime. Publishers have to substitute the old code with a new code if BidVertiser changes it. BidVertiser offers XML feed, native, pop-under, slider, and push ads for both desktop and mobile web traffic. Some pros about BidVertiser. Well, the referral system. BidVertiser credit the referrer $5 and $20 for referred advertisers spending a first $10 and $50 on advertisements. In case of referred publisher, BidVertiser credits the referred $10 and $40 for referred publishers earning of first $10 and $50 respectively. There is no discrimination on language and traffic. There is no restriction or requirement on amount of traffic or language. And this is worth a good chance for publishers with non-English content and small traffic. So this is a really good thing that you have to know about BidVertiser. The compatibility. Publishers are allowed to use both BidVertiser and AdSense to rise their revenue. And some cons. Well, the biggest con in BidVertiser is mismatching ads. Unlike AdSense, BidVertiser do not support contextual ads. This results in irrelevant ads. The restrictions and limits. BidVertiser have standards to declare any website unsuitable. If a website have content of link to erotic, illegal, or violence-based material. Promoting discrimination based on disability, gender, nationality, race, religion are also restricted. Plagiarism is considered as violation of the intellectual property rights. Even links to such sites are not allowed. Asking visitors to click on ads in any way is considered as fraud, and this will result in withholding the payment or chargeback. A big con in the restriction is BidVertiser reserves the right to declare any website as unsuitable for any reason they decide. However, rejected publishers may appeal again whenever they want. In case of impressions not generating for 2 months, publisher may lose their account. However, such publishers are eligible for 30 days to send support ticket to request the payout of their unpaid balance that reached minimum withdrawal limit. And some things about withdrawal. BidVertiser pays on monthly basis, frequency of 30 days after end of month. Payments are issued only in US dollars and by PayPal, check, or bank wire. Minimum payout withdraw via PayPal is $10, via check is $100, and via bank wire is $500. So guys, now let's take a look on their website here. As you can see right now, we are at advertisers. So here they have a global network, reliability, transparency, security, targeting, tracking, automation, and real-time bidding. The ad formats for desktop and mobile, mainstream and adult are direct navigation, pop-under, push notifications, in-page push, indirection pops, and native ads. You can start with a low budget, only $100. They handle campaigns from $5 a day to thousands of dollars a day. All advertisers, big or small, get the same great attention from their team. You can use PayPal, credit card, crypto, web money, Paxson, Pioneer, Capitalist, and bank wires to conveniently fund your account. So guys, if you want to learn more about BidVertiser, you can go ahead and check their website here. If you want to create your campaign, just click here. So if this video was useful for you, you can like it. You can subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. And you can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about BidVertiser. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.